Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 9 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone had a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. Let's take a look at one of our 4 agreements. Learn to ask questions. It's always better to ask questions than to make an assumption. Have the courage to ask questions until you're as clear as you can be. Once you hear the answer to a question, you won't have to make the assumption. Why? Because you'll know the truth. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We had the Dow up 244, NASDAQ was up 66, S&Ps are up 28, gold contract up $9, trading at $1,703 an ounce. Silver up 38 cents at $32.71 an ounce. Platinum $1,583. Light sweet crude flat at $94.64. Bonds down 1.5 trading out at $149.12. King dollar down 26 at 81.03. Euro at 126.32, and the yen is trading out at 78.87. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world? In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? You have a break top side, folks. Wide price spread. Guess what? You don't have the volume. But bottom line, you get wide price spread. Pretty dramatic, too. Up 28 bucks. Takes out all the highs. It takes out the spike high that was out there from the 12th, rather the 21st, which is the 1426 level, the 1422.38. Now, S&Ps, what we did is this. You did the 736 million. Now, that did not take the swings out with volume. And what I expect you're going to have here more than likely, well, we'll see where this shakes out. But if we do take from the bottom to the top on the S&Ps, a butterfly is up there at the 1459 level. So you're talking 32, 42, 52. Whoa, 14. Yeah, it is. It's a 1459 level. That's pretty intense. So what a butterfly is, a 1.27 expansion of that whole move. That's a big number, no doubt about it. We go to the Dow Industrials. You take a look at the Dow Industrials. What do you have with the Dow? Dow is up 244 bucks. The swing point on the Dow, we haven't reached it yet. That swing point is 13,338. You know, wide price spread, no doubt, though. I mean, you know, when you're talking, I talked this way on the way down also, but bottom line is that in 6.5 hours, what you just had there is that it basically, it basically took a month of trading sideways in 6.5 hours. Well, you know what? It went topside. NASDAQ Composite. Now, Composite did this, folks. Also had wide price spread. Composite did 1.92 billion. So the Composite did take out the 31, 34, 17 area, which was the highs of March 27th with volume. The volume characteristic goes like this. We did 1.925 billion, and I got to go back here just 1 second. And on the composite, let's see. So we got to go back to the 27th of March. And on the 27th of March, what we did, it was light volume. So it was March 27th, we did, 1.6 billion. So the bottom line, you took it out with volume. We stay with the composite just for a second and take a look at this composite. What we have, there she is. Okay, so we have with the composite, I'll bring this back a couple years. Okay, so where we go? Let's see. Bring it back a year. Interesting. Okay, so if we take a look at the composite and we say, okay, is the extension going to be, so on the composite, well, these are all big numbers. Hold it. Yeah, no, that's right. Is approximately 3,200, which is up another 70 bucks. We go over to the bond market. So in bonds, U.S., let's take a look at the bond market right now. Bond market pulls back 1.5 points out here today. Of course, markets go south, go north. Bonds want to go south. USZ2. The USZ2, we take a look at their bond market. This is what we have with bonds. She came back with 356,000 contracts. That, you know, that's not that bad. we were coming into 393. So bonds are going to need more volume in order to basically break into lower lows. Gold contract out here, what we did with gold is this. Gold got to the 1716 area. Now, it couldn't hold it. You did the juice on it, though. The juice on it was this. The juice is that you did 163,000 contracts. That's a good number. Gave up quite a bit in price, though. We went from the 1716 area, came back and closed out at the 1703 area. We take a look at the small caps. Now, what the small caps did out here is this. Small caps, the IWM went up $1.50, trading out at 83.63. The high that it was going after out there was the 84.66. That high up there. What we did today is this. You did 45 million shares. You were going into the first swing point, which was the 81.72 area. Took that baby out. That was 43 million shares. The high that is out there that it wants to go after, the high that it wants to go after is the 84.66 area. That high that was out there was generated on the 27th of March. Okay. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Some of the high volume stocks out here today. Movement. You had General Electric up 66. Citigroup was up $1.35. News Corporation was up 74 cents. You had EMC up $1.10. Even Research in Motion moved. Research in Motion was up 20 cents. We had Wells Fargo up $1.09. If we take a look at the sectors, the XLF, which of course is the financials, they did move. They had wide price spread. We did 52 million shares. Going to need more volume than that, but you had that movement there. The XLE, different ball game. On the XLE, you had the price move, you had the volume move, but it couldn't hit the swing point. So what you have there is this. You hit 72.20. Closed at 72.20 rather. You hit the 72.68. That will go test that 72.68 area once again. If we go take a look at Europe, what you had with Europe out here today, folks, is this. You had the CAC Carol in France close up 3%. The FTSE in London was 2%. The DAX was 2.9% in Germany. Spain was almost up Spain was up 4.91%. And of course, what that's all about is Mario Draghi came out this morning, did what he said he was going to do. That's the bottom line. Buy unlimited bonds on a short-term basis in order to bring the interest rates down. And the European Union countries that the short-term rate was pushing out 5-6%. Bottom line is that it's going to be an unlimited buy out there to support the market to make sure that they can get money at a smaller price. Some of the large caps out here, you had Honeywell up $1.65. IBM was up 409. 3M was up $1.59. You had, let's go look at J.P. Morgan Chase inside those financials. So you had J.P. Morgan. There she goes. Okay, so J.P. Morgan Chase. Okay, that's interesting. So all this J.P. Morgan Chase is doing is coming into where the downdraft was correlated when it gapped away, and that's still not enough there. There's 41 million versus that 217 million. Let's go to Doug in Clearwater. Hey, Doug, what's going on?
Hey, Tom, how you doing?
I'm doing great, man. You having a good day out there?
Oh, fantastic. With an upward move today.
I love it. No doubt.
Don't fight the Fed.
That's right. No doubt.
Don't fight the Fed.
That's right. Or the European Central Bank, I guess. That's what today's move is, for sure.
Yeah. Tom, I'm going into some of the real estate funds. Just wanted to get your thoughts on that Nuveen real estate fund.
Okay, you just stay right there. We're going to be coming right back. And folks, actually, when we're talking real estate, folks, if you go to the front page of TFNN under breaking news, you're going to see that I just wrote a paper about real estate. You can just hit that file right there, folks, and download that paper. We ended out, finish up 244, NASDAQ up 66, S&P's up 28. We're going to be right back.